det är någon i samma sak.
Oh shit.
It's time! It's time!
Oh,
skiing time! Woo! Pizza! It's time to eat before we're leaving. Leaving in about 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
I'm ready for this.
Yeah.
Woo! Let's fucking go! We're ready to leave! Welcome to the video, guys. This is the start of this weekend. We just got in the car. We've been driving for about 20 minutes.
Yeah,
we have 7 hours.
7, 8 hours.
Yeah,
left.
too many hours left.
Yeah, too many.
But we're gonna do it hard. Just get through it. I mean, it is what we have to do when we live this southern in Sweden. We just have to drive like pretty far up north, even though it's still just like halfway up the country, which just shows how big Sweden actually is.
How far was it? 600 kilometers, I think.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's insane. But yes, we're gonna head up. So the plan is hopefully to have one video for each day. So one short for today, just some kind of introduction to the weekend. Then we have one for each of the 3 days in the slopes, skiing, snowboarding, just having a good time, showing the house we got, you know, everything basically. We don't have everything too much planned out. We're just gonna see what we end up with, see what we get, and hopefully get some fun content out of it. And I hope you guys will enjoy it as well. But so let's head on the road. Like, let's just try to do something fun on the way there. I guess listen to music, sing loud, I don't know. We'll figure out something.
Yeah,
it's gonna be a long drive.
Hi.
But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy these upcoming few videos and that we will have some good times in the slopes as well. And we will most likely get some good crashes from Eric.
Probably.
That's a good plan. I mean, probably some crashes from me as well, depending on what I'm doing, but yeah.
My hope is just that I don't die, to be honest.
Yeah, everybody's basically telling us all just like, please just don't break a leg.
Yes.
Can't promise anything.
Everyone.
Are you
excited?
Yeah.
Woo!
A bit tired.
Well, yeah, let's get on the road and I see you guys when we get there or something. Or in the next video.
Or probably before that, if something happens.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
Let's go!
Car breaks down. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Yo, we made it here. It's been a long time, a long drive. I think it took about 8 hours or so.
Yeah,
felt like a long time in the car, but
yeah,
it was pretty bearable. Sometimes we got stuck between some trucks that drove pretty slow or like cars that was back and forth, I don't know. But either way, we made it here. We have a shit ton of snow.
There's a shit ton of snow, yes.
It's not too cold. It was raining when we first got here. It seems to be a little bit better now.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna get some sun tomorrow. So tomorrow's gonna be the first day out in the slopes, just enjoying the time on the skis. As you see here, I can take a step out. I will sink in pretty much. I'm not even all the way down.
It's quite high, yes.
So we just had to like remove some snow just to be able to walk in. But so this will be a shorter video, just a start to the trip. I hope you guys are just as excited as we are about this and that you're ready for the journey with us. We got 3 days of skiing, hopefully 3 videos out of that. So tomorrow, first day skiing, we'll show off the house and everything that we're staying in and just make the best out of it. So make sure to subscribe to not miss any of the upcoming skiing videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Woo! Woo! And he died. And he died. This is Eric skiing. Yeah. Eric skiing. Eric skiing. Oh.
might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams, as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25.